Article 645.11 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, states uninterruptible power systems, or UPSs, installed on raised floors shall be listed and marked for such use. This requirement primarily applies to UPS systems that are installed on raised floors, regardless of their size. However, it does not explicitly address the installation of small standby power supplies that are integral parts of IT equipment. The intent of Article 645.11 is to ensure the safe installation and operation of UPS systems on raised floors. While small standby power supplies are not typically considered as separate UPS systems, they still present similar safety concerns, such as firstly, potential for internal fires or explosions due to overloads or component failures, secondly, emission of harmful gases or fumes in the event of a malfunction, and thirdly, risk of tripping over cables or cords connected to the equipment. Therefore, it is reasonable to apply the provisions of Article 645.11 onto small standby power supplies that are installed on raised floors, even if they are integral parts of IT equipment. In the case of a RAID storage processor with an integral 1 kV standby power supply, the concerns mentioned above are still applicable. The device is installed on a raised floor, and in the event of a power loss, it becomes an active source of electrical energy, albeit for a limited duration. To ensure safety and compliance with the intent of the NEC, it is advisable to require that small standby power supplies installed on raised floors, including those integral to IT equipment, meet the following criteria. Firstly, be listed and marked for use on raised floors. Secondly, be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Thirdly, have adequate overcurrent protection. Fourthly, be properly grounded. And fifthly, be free from any visible damage or defects. This approach provides a consistent level of safety for all electrical equipment installed on raised floors, regardless of its size or function.